I probably shouldn't be showing you this, but there is an AI business model out there right now that lets you copy what's already working, tweak it in minutes, and then sell it for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per month. The crazy part is almost nobody is doing this right now. Let me show you. So the method I'm going to show you, just like I said 2 seconds ago, it should be illegal because it is so unbelievably powerful. So this is it in a nutshell. I'm going to just show you very simply. We are going to take someone's existing website. By the way, this is just for educational purposes. I'm just picking some random business. We're going to take their existing website. We're then going to vibe code, recreate it in minutes, okay, making it better and SEO optimized. Then, once we have given them something for free, because guys, every website has to pay for hosting and other stuff, we're going to go, no, we're just going to give it to you for free. Then we basically lowball the hosting. We go, you can have it for free. So boom, immediately they don't have to pay their hosting. Then we upsell them on what's called an AI front desk. And this is absolutely insane. And you can solve all these businesses' core problems. And you can actually make these right here that say closed open 24/7, which gives them way more leads. Yes, an AI front desk. An AI front desks are worth around $497 per month, which is really good if you do this properly. Because $497 per month coming in your bank account month after month, and you stack a bunch of those, looks really nice over time. So the AI front desk isn't just one AI agent. This is what's important. It's actually 3 that cover all of what would be called a business's front desk. Guys, this is super important. You have an SMS bot, covers all text, which is big, an email bot, which is possibly even bigger because most businesses communicate via email, and then an AI voice bot to cover the phones. From here, you essentially solve a business's front desk with AI. And this right here is an absolute game changer. And the cool part too is this can work hand in hand if they already have a receptionist. I'm not saying you have to go and fire an entire front desk. You can give them an AI front desk, which can also work on top of what they already have. Either way, it is extremely powerful. And I'm telling you guys right now, this is the future. Like, no joke, these AI front desks will change everything. And the cool part is, guys, I've actually built out all of this entire AI front desk, and I'm actually going to be giving it to you for free in this video. So without further ado, let's go into setting this thing up and selling it to local businesses. Let's check it out. All right, so the first step in the process is finding your local businesses. Okay, so before we go into this, I just want to let you know I don't have some high ticket coaching program or some outdated course to sell you. None of that. Everything I'm going to be showing you in this video is going to be free from me, and it really just takes effort. I'm also going to say there's no such thing as a get rich quick scheme. A lot of people that are saying that online are either trying to sell you something or they're completely lying to you. These things do take effort. And lastly, I have actually walked the walk. I've sold these things from local businesses. I've even won awards doing so that you see on stage. So I like to think that I've actually done this because I have. So that's why you should listen to someone in a robe. I'm just going to show you what's worked for me. So essentially, this is going to be the first step. We're going to pick a local business. So this is for educational purposes. I'm just going to click a random business. We will just do these guys right here. We'll click website, and we'll be brought right to their website. So step number 1 is going to be upgrading their website in seconds and making it SEO optimized. So you're just going to take this exact URL right here. You're going to come into this vibe coder. I'm going to show you what this vibe coder is and how it works in a second. But first, I'm just going to show you the process. We're going to say, please copy this website, but make it better and SEO optimized. Because again, you don't just want to copy people's stuff without their permission. There's rules around that. At least I think so. So do your due diligence. That's why we're actually taking it and we're making it better, but we're doing it in seconds with the same kind of feel. So we said, please copy this website, but make it better and SEO optimized. So we're not just copying directly. If a client wants you to copy directly, you can do that if they give you permission. So we're going to say this, and then we're just going to click enter. And essentially what this is going to do is this is going to vibe code their website in minutes, rebuild it, SEO optimize it, and then we're going to give it to free. And then we're going to move into the AI front desk. So without further ado, check out how amazing this is. Wow. Look at, okay, let's go full screen. Look at this. It recreated this in minutes, and it's honestly much better than this. And it has SEO optimization. So in minutes, we gave them something better than what they had. Okay, now quick disclaimer. If you're dealing with bigger businesses that have huge online presences and they already have SEO, you may not want to do the website thing, but don't worry, the AI front desk still applies. But most businesses are not huge businesses and they will have websites like this. So you are absolutely open to this, but check this out. So this immediately is way better. It's got contact forms. Everything is already dialed in. I mean, it's a beautiful header. I mean, look at this header, like not even optimized at all. And we got this one, which is like a sticky, and it's just so much better. So we did this in minutes. Okay. So this is step number 1. We go to local business, we redo their website, but then this is the trick. Okay. We're going to go to them and we're going to say, I built you a better website and it's SEO optimized and has, cool forms and a bunch of stuff like that. This is before we mentioned the AI front desk. And what you're going to do is you're going to say, I'm going to give this to you completely free. Plus, I'm going to give you hosting and security for free. Now, if you don't know what website hosting is, it is this. Web hosting is a service that stores website files, HTML videos on a specialized computer called a server. Essentially, what this is your website has to reside somewhere, and you pay people for this. Almost every local business pays for hosting or some sort of website package, but what we're doing is we're giving them something better, which doesn't take you any work. Like I literally just went in here, as you saw, and typed in what I wanted, and it did it for me, so easy peasy. But what you're doing is you're actually saving a business money and giving them something better. So you're going to the business and going, hey, I can give you something better for free. From there, instant reciprocity is built. They trust you. They're like, this is amazing. And then from there, the key is we go, okay, just have this. But then what we want to do is, because we do want to give it to them, we want to actually help them out. We then want to upsell them on what's called the AI front desk, which I did explain. And by the way, this is the same AI front desk that I just talked about. The one that we can charge $497 for, which has the SMS bot, email bot, and AI voice bot. Yes, this one. And this right here is where you're going to make some of your money. Because a lot of people are out here trying to sell the websites and not stuff like this. And what happens is people get in and then they're like, the website isn't that valuable or it's not presenting leads. And then they cancel. And this is why churn is so high in this industry. But when you sell the all-in-one solution, like an AI front desk that actually provides value, business owners will have no problem paying month after month because you're solving an actual problem. That's why we do this, guys. By the way, if you did not know, the way to make money online is by solving problems. But a lot of you guys are not doing that. And it's not your fault, you just don't know. You're trying to sell stuff that you think is going to solve a problem, but it's not. This legitimately is solving 3 huge core issues. Now that you understand that and the price point and you understand the lead magnet, we now need to go into quickly setting this thing up so you can see just how easy this is. Because I'm telling you right now, this is possibly the most beginner-friendly business model ever. And if you're advanced and you want to upsell, it's still absolutely insane. So I'm going to show you how to quickly set these up for any niche. And by the way, these are going to be free for you. We do use a software called Go High Level. Don't worry, this isn't going to be a sales pitch. I'm getting you a free trial. So if you don't like it, you can cancel after. Don't worry. But I'm going to talk about that in just one sec. And again, there's a free trial. And if you don't like it, you can cancel. What I'm going to show you now is how easy this is so you can actually see and make a decision for yourself. So all we need to do once we have these is decide what niche we want to go after. And we can change these very quickly. By the way, these are legit. So this is an AI voice agent that answers, the phone, does customer support 24/7. And I'm going to show you what this looks like right here.
Hello, you reached Evercrest Realty. This is Chanel. How can I help you today?
Hey, Chanel, how you doing? I'm looking to sell my house.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Selling your house, exciting. Let's get started. I can schedule a free evaluation with one of our expert agents to help price and market it effectively. Could you share the property address with me?
So as you saw there, it's literally a robot that talks to you. And then these ones are essentially AI bots that talk to you via SMS, email, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, DM, all of that good stuff. So let's say we wanted to change the email. So all we have to do, and this is so simple, is come in, go to bot goals. Like, guys, this is too easy. And we can use one of my amazing free prompts, which I have right here, which you get for free. All we're going to do is we're going to take this, copy this, come right in here to ChatGPT, paste this, and then we're just going to change these 3 things, and it's going to change the entire thing. So let me show you right now. If we test this bot, watch this. Hello, who do you serve and what business is this? So watch this. Hi, I'm Dave with plumbing services, blah, 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 blah. Okay, plumbing services. We're going to come in and we're going to change this to HVAC. So as you see right here, this is Anne. We're going to quickly go, I want it to be Mary. Put in your niche. We're going to do HVAC, target customer, home owners wanting HVAC. I mean, we're literally just typing in what we want. I'm not even going to spell it right. Main offer, AC. And we're going to click enter. Like, guys, I'm literally going to prove to you that this is like the easiest thing ever. I mean, you can be a complete idiot and make this work. All you're doing is typing in, and then we're going to copy paste, and then I'm going to show you how this thing updates. Okay, boom, we got these 3 parts. All we're going to do, copy, come into personality, match up with this, take this, delete it, paste. Same thing. I mean, guys, your grandma can copy and paste. There is no excuse. Paste. And part of the reason this is so easy is I've already set this entire thing up and I'm giving it to you for free. This saves you a lot of trouble. So just know that. But we're doing this because we want to focus on what's really important, which is selling this thing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click save. So we save this entire bot. Remember what it said right here, blah, blah, blah. We're going to refresh this page. And now we're going to do hello. Who are you and who do you serve? Just proving you that this thing is easy. Hi, I'm Mary from HVAC, blah, blah, blah. Like that, we can change the entire niche. And then you can hit literally any niche you want. Landscapers, chiropractors, HVAC, electricians in any location. Guys, there has never been a service like this where you can hit everybody. Like, just letting you know, this is literally the future. I'm just saying, like, you gotta get on this now because it is absolutely insane. So that's it. That's the process. Rebuild their website for free, no hosting, come in, give them them these pre-AI agents that I made for you that you can change to any niche using my free prompts. And then from there, you get them on what's called the AI front desk, which solves 3 of their core issues via SMS, email, and voice. And you can charge up to $497 for this. Now, a quick part before we move on to the last part, which is so important about this, guys. And I could literally say this all day. When you solve recurring problems, you get recurring money. A lot of you guys out here are not solving problems. That's why people aren't paying you. Some of you guys are like, the online business model doesn't work. AI is a scam. No, it's that you're not doing it properly. That's why I'm here. I'm trying to show you what actually works. Now, yes, you have to set this up right and you have to do the work. As you saw, it is very easy. But the idea is if you solve recurring problems, I'm going to tell you this right now, business owners will pay you, no joke, for pretty much ever if you do it right. I'm not joking you. I have clients that still pay me from 2021. They don't even think about it. It just solves the problem and they go through. Now I have them on other things because AI voice agents weren't around back then. The fact is if you provide something that solves a problem like an automation or something like this where it's doing its job every single month, they're not going to get rid of it. Think about an employee. If you have a good employee that shows up and does his job, you're not going to fire them. Just saying, like people aren't going to fire the employee if they do a good job. Very simple. This is not rocket science, but a lot of you guys online, unfortunately, and again, it's not your fault because other gurus have told you to sell random shit. You're not solving recurring problems and people cancel and then you go, what is this business model? There's no way people make money with this. But there is a lot of people that make a ton of money with this and it is because all they are doing is finding a problem and then solving it month after month. If you guys have any questions about it, drop them in the comments down below so I can answer. But now we move on to the important part, which is how to really get started with this so we can go turbo mode fast. All right, so the fastest way to get started and to get access to the Vibe Coder, all of these free amazing prompts and AI agents that I've built for you and this software, is by going down below and signing up with a 30-day free trial. Now, hear me out before you freak out. High Level normally has a 14-day free trial. I talked to the team and got you a 30-day. Now, this is what I want to do because this is so important. I want to give you access on top of this forever, if you use the software, to my entire private community for free for 30 days. Now, again, if you use High Level, you'll still get this for free after, but I have created something that is essentially risk-free because if you sign up with High Level, okay, and you don't like it, and you don't like my private group, you can cancel. You don't have to stay. That's how sure I am that I think I can help you. I'm being dead serious. No one else is going to offer you something like this. Everyone else is making you pay 10 to 15K because they're not sure if it's going to work. So they need to get your money quick before they go. I'm going to give this to you free. And if you don't believe me, check out the link down below. And again, this is free. You can access to my entire private community, which is one of one. We have more testimonials than anyone. Just check it out below. All of my video trainings, my pre-built out systems, like all of these amazing things, again, all free. But most importantly, you're going to get access to 7 live coaching calls per week. I'm talking ones with me, ones with my other coaches, help with sales, help with getting clients, how to get clients, okay, learning Go High Level, help with Go High Level even more, and setting up Go High Level systems. And all of these guys are legitimately free. No joke, you're not going to find this anywhere else. And this is going to give you the hand holding you need. And if you don't like it after 30 days, you can leave. There is nobody else you're going to be able to find online that is going to give you all of this shit for free. Now, yes, you have to work hard. You can't just click a couple buttons and have 30,000 deposit in your bank account. That's not the way this works. You actually have to put in the work. But if you're willing to put in the work, I'm telling you, we have the infrastructure to help you. That is why I'm going to give you access to all of this for free for 30 days. Again, you will still get it for free if you're using High Level. But that way you have a risk-free option. You don't have to pay me. Being serious, you're not going to find this anywhere else. And obviously, you should do it more than 30 days. But if you do this and you really don't like it, and you're like, this just isn't for me, Wizard. This isn't for me, man. No hard feelings, man. Best of with whatever you want to do. I don't think you're going to find anything like this. And these calls are legit. These are real agency owners that are selling High Level and crushing it. You can literally see what they're doing. This is legit. You can also go down below and click the link and see all the stuff I give. So again, I could talk about this for hours, but it is because it is the best community you're going to find anywhere. No joke. So again, if this interests you, go down below, click the link, sign up for your 30 days, get access so we can get started. If you have any questions, drop them down below. But what I want to do now is I want to link a video at the end of this video that's just going to go over this a little more and show you some real case studies and testimonials. You can see if this is legit. Because I can yap about this all day, but seeing is believing. So you're going to watch the video that pops up at the end of this one. Thank you again for watching, guys. Take your future into your own hands. Start with this AI front desk and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one. Hey, watch it.